Alright, Branches family, this is Miss Samantha, and today we're going to be doing something very exciting. It is a Skittles pie chart. So you only need a few materials. You need water, a bag of Skittles, a soap-proof paper plate, a calculator, and a pen, or you can use a marker or a pencil, is fine. You need at least 4 colors from the bag of Skittles, but you need a total of 80. So for example, come a little closer. We have 18 yellow Skittles, 22 red Skittles, 20 purple Skittles, and 20 green Skittles. So today, what you might not know is we're going to be talking about math. So when I mention math, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Is it boring? Is it fun? Is it exciting? Or is it just something you do just to pass the class? Well, today we're gonna talk about the fun portion of math. So come over with me to the Skittles board really quickly. And we're gonna be talking about fractions. So as I mentioned, we have 20 green, 18 yellow, 20 purple, and 22 red Skittles. So in order to make your fraction, since we had a total of 80 Skittles, your denominator, which is at the bottom, you put 80. And since you have 20 green, you put 20 at the top. And we're gonna do the same thing for the yellow, purple, and red Skittles. So 18 goes at the top, and 80 goes at the top. Okay, so we're gonna try to make our fractions into percentages. So we're gonna go to our handy dandy calculator. So we're gonna type 20 divided by 80, which equals 0.25. But in order to make it a percentage, you need to multiply by 100, which gives you 25%. So we have 25% of green Skittles. And we're gonna continue doing the rest of it. So we have 25%, 22%, 25, and 27%. So we're gonna go back to our table, and I'm gonna show you how to make math fun. So since we have 25% of purple and green, we're gonna split our paper plate into 4 different quadrants, and it looks almost like a T. So we're gonna start by putting our purple Skittles on the plate. So each quadrant is equivalent to 25. So each quadrant has 25%. So we're gonna put 25% of our purple Skittles on the plate. Next, we are gonna do our green Skittles. And next we're gonna have our yellow. So back at our Skittles board, the yellow had only 22%. But since each quadrant is 25%, we need to just make it a little bit short of 25. So we're gonna put it at the 22 mark. And then the next one is the red one. The red one was 27%. So we're gonna put the most Skittles we're gonna have are the red Skittles. And now comes the fun part of this experiment. So we're gonna put our water, and we're gonna start putting it in the middle of our plate, but we're gonna do it very, very slowly. And now we wait. Okay, that's a good guess. Let's see if you're right. So I don't know if you've noticed, but the color from the Skittles is starting to spread all throughout the plate. It's starting to spread throughout the water. Oh my gosh, look how cool and exciting this is. So as we mentioned before, since the red Skittles was 27% of our 80%, it is way more than then the yellow, then the green, and the purple. So since we only had a little bit of yellow Skittles, there's only a little quadrant of it is filled. So now it's your turn to do it with me. So I want you to start the video all over again. Bring your bag of Skittles and we're gonna do this together.
What's up, guys? Just I want a reminder that, stay tuned for more videos and like and subscribe to our platform, and we catch you in the next episode.